I go by the name of Josh for the people that don't know me, and you're tuning in to my YouTube channel. And in this series right here, I'm teaching you guys how to model this basic scene right here. Yes, I'm teaching you how to model the table, the chair, the cup, and the plate. So in the past video back, I taught you guys how to model the table, the chair, and the cup. And this video right here, I'm going to teach you how to model this basic plate. So we're going to get into it. But before we get into it, I just want to say thank you guys so much for subscribing to the channel. Thank you guys for checking out the video. Thank you for sharing it. And I just pray that you enjoying the videos, and I pray that you're learning something from it. And I pray that you guys leave me some comments. Just let me know how I can grow at. Let me know how I can get better at. Let me know what you would like to see me create also as well. So right after this little intro, we're going to dive on into Blender, and we're going to get started on this plate. Don't go nowhere, guys. The fun's about to get started. Yo, welcome back, guys. So we're in Blender right now, and we're gonna get started in the fun. So, like I was telling you guys in the intro, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to model this plate, that basic plate scene, or that basic plate. So I'm gonna teach you how to model it. It shouldn't take too long. So let's just get into it. So the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna hit Shift A on the keyboard. And by hitting Shift A, the add menu is going to pop up right here. This is the add menu. And we're going to go over to mesh. And we're going to hit cylinder. Now once we hit cylinder, we're going to move it up like this. Pull my scene back a little bit. Pull my mouse button tool. And I'm going to rotate. And I'm going to rotate my cube around just like this. Now, you know, there's two ways you can rotate. You can rotate by coming over here, clicking the rotation tool, or you can hit R on the keyboard and use the rotation tool. But me, I just prefer using it this way sometimes because it's a little bit better, because I can adjust it a little bit better. But you can do whatever you feel more comfortable with doing. Hey, it's fine. Alright. Got to adjust it, man. Rotate the scenes, y'all see it. Alright, now we got that rotated and adjusted set up. What I'm going to do, I'm going to hit tab on the keyboard. Oh yeah, make sure your mouse is selected in your scene. So when you hit tab, it'll know that you're trying to go into that different mode. Okay, so, and make sure that you're in face mode right here. So once you got that, I'm going to deselect that. Click on that little black dot right there. Use the arrow, blue arrow, pull it down some, just like that. Click on the red arrow right here, pull it over, adjust it, just the scene. Come hit tab again, and I'm gonna hit G on the keyboard and move it up. If you hit G on the keyboard, that's also a shortcut key for you selecting your move tool. Alright, go back in this tab mode. Alright, with that selected, what we're going to do now, we're going to add some edge loops around here. So we can make that rounded shape around the plate. So we're going to control R on the keyboard. Like that. And then we're going to screw it out. Well, pull it out exactly. Sorry about that. Be kind of careful with it. Something like that. Pull it up. Like that. Then what we're going to do, we're going to add a few more edge loops. Just like that. Hope you guys can see it. Let me adjust the scene so you can see what I'm talking about. So as you can see, I added that edge link right there, and I'm gonna add one at the bottom. So make Control R again on the keyboard, just like this. Pull it down, and right now I'm making everything clear enough for you guys so y'all can understand. If not, just leave me a comment down below, and I'll work on that for y'all. Alright, now we got that selected. We're gonna go back in face mode right here, select face, and we're going to hit S on the keyboard, and we're going to pull it in, just like that. And then pull this down, something like that. Just it. Okay, that's pretty good. And what we're going to do, we're going to add an edge loop around the edges right here. So right there, we're going to add an edge loop. Just like that. Then we're going to add another edge loop. Right here, like that. Okay, so now we got our edge loop. We want to see what it looks like. Gonna mesh. Okay. As y'all can see, you kind of see it a little bit, like a little basic plate. But what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go to shade smooth, and the way you do that is you go back in object mode and you right click, and then you see it right here. It says shade smooth. So as you can see, it's kind of smooth around the edges right there. Kind of got that smooth shape a little bit. Now, I might add something in here, just pull that down some. I'm gonna go back into edit mode, go back into face mode, select, hit E, and hit S on the keyboard, that, pull that down, but tab it, just it, that, and the edge Control R, like that. That. That's a crooked what I'm do. I'm gonna fix that real quick. Is it even enough? Scale. I like that. And then hit draw again. See what we got. Draw again. Yeah. Alright, let's see what it looks like. 100 mode. Okay. Yes. Look crooked bottom. But it's not really gonna matter at the bottom because nobody can see the bottom of the plate. Cause it's just a prop for the scene. So it really doesn't matter. So we're just gonna add a color like turn red or something. select it. And okay, it's ready. What I did was I went click here, and I went to shaded, viewport shaded, and I selected so you can see the color. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna come over here and turn down the reflection. Just give it a little bit like that shiny look to it a little bit. Just a little bit. So there you go. That's just a little basic. So we're gonna pull up like you can see it's full on. Alright guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys learned something. I hope these videos are helping you guys. Like I said, if it's something you would like to learn, just let me know. Leave me a comment below, just get at me. Thank you guys for watching the tutorial. Thank you guys for checking it out. Thank you guys for sharing it. And hit that subscribe button, let people know. I call you guys blessed. I call you guys victorious. Have a blessed day, blessed night. I don't know what time it is when you're watching it, but hey, I call you blessed. Remember, Jesus loved you. Jesus saved. He died on the cross for your sin. Jesus loved you. He's here for you. Hey, and if you want to know more about it, just open up your Bible, grab your Bible, and go on to John chapter 3, verse 16. He died on the cross for the world's sin. You can read that in your spare time. It's a good read. Hey, Jesus love you. Call you blessed. See you in the next video. Take care, guys.